Good morning guys, today we've got here XIAOMI Pad 8 Pro and let me show you how to turn off personalized Google Ads. So at first, open the settings, then scroll down and open Google. Go to all services and mark ads. And here you can either reset our advertising ID or delete it fully. So I'll recommend the second option, which is delete advertising ID. As you can see, it will delete your current ID. Apps will be able to show you ads, however, they will not be that relevant or interesting for you. So if you want to do it, just mark delete advertising ID, and that's it. As you can see, it has been done. Whenever you want to get a new one, if you want to see some more relevant ads, you can get new advertising ID right here. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.